sige, una lang. Di pa daw lang, sige lag mudagan.
The water is not so bad. I mean, it's hard to swim because of the big waves, but the water is
Ligo na lang. Tanawa. Oh, sige.
video ka or
Video na.
dami pa kayo puting po.
Naog na. Oh, sige. At asa yung sheets?
My husband, he really toughen it up and swim. I can't. So scared of the waves. Oh. There it is. The other two sets of ladies. The water's not really that bad. It's just like I'm so scared of the waves. My husband is tall enough, but he's short. I'm so scared that it would just roll me over when it hits. I already hit my hand on the stone, and it's really awful. Woo! Okay ra? Abnormal. Okay ra? Dili sakit sa lawas? Wa kay hangin. Balik na to.
Hindi ako kayo nasuporta po hangin.
Cramp
niya ako kayo.
Basig mo cramp imong tiil.
Ha?
Basig mo cramp imong tiil.
Sige.
Sige.
Cramp na pagtingin niya.
Ate, basta nakaligo ka.
Oh, mo gani.
Ako igo raman ko nabasa. Basa lang sa waves. These kids are waiting for the water to swell. And they will just run towards the waves when they, when the water swells up a little bit. And they can my hair is a little bit wet because I was there in that rock in the middle of it. And then when the waves hit, bam! It hits me hard on the stone. I'm gonna have a bruise on my leg right above there. And I think my hand too. It's getting like numb. It was because I didn't really, I wasn't paying attention with the waves. I just hit the shore so hard. And it just bounces me back on those four stones. And it was not a very pleasant experience. It's better now. I feel a little bit on my hands, but it did really so I'm trying to protect my face. So I use my hand to kind of stop the acceleration of the waves pushing me towards the stones. But it's all good now. So here it is. There are other people actually. There are kids in there doing surfing. And there's this other guys who's also trying to just wait for the waves to hit them. Yeah. Plank. Oh, kadit. My husband is trying to do plank. Oh, kada. Isa kay mohang tiyan. Ana, nakapagamay ang labon. Ana. He's really trying so hard to do plank. Okay, let me just turn. Bila? 30 seconds. Ayun lang. At least, naka 30 seconds ka. Usap pa ka?
Ha?
Musap pa ka?
Oh.
Sige. Go. Kapoy. Usa pa. Like my waves in it. Kapoy. So we could go up into that stairs. There's so many access to the beach coming from the main road. So if ever there's like a high tide and you won't be able to cross to go back to where we were. Yeah, to where we were, but you won't be able to pass through because of the high tide. So there are so many of this, almost like every block. There's like an access to the water. So to go up and down, it's not really like it's very private. So anybody could go up and down in there. I think some of the people here are just waiting for the water to swell up while the kids are doing some surfing right now. But the water for me is kind of like rough already. I can't really go in there and try to swim. I've had the experience before that I rolled under the waves and it wasn't really pleasant. So right now we probably will just continue walking on the sides of the road sorry, the road from the beachfront or on the shore. We'll end up with the hot tub. And then we'll have a good night's sleep. So it's starting to get gloomier now. I mean, the sun is now
High tide.
the sun is now being covered by the clouds, and we are on our way headed back to closer to the hotel. The water is really nice. Not really as nice as back in the Philippines, but it's better. It's getting high tide now, so it's probably about time for us to go back closer to the hotel. So I'm scared that we won't be able to like cross just by walking on the seashore. But this is really nice. Look at the sound of the ocean. It's very relaxing. Okay. Just scared. He's gonna expose his big belly. I just really want to, walk as much as I can here on the beach front. God knows when will I be able to like do this again. Yeah, even. But hopefully we will be able to go to Hawaii. It's a dream for now. We really can. We really can get out of the country as of this point. But as soon as we will be able to, probably will go to Hawaii or to Mexico when there's actually when the water is not this rough. I think at this time of the year it's really like rough anyways, but I'm so happy to see some guys who are doing surfing. It's a rare opportunity for me to be able to do that. Back where we are in Los Banos, there's really no water. Monterey, probably there's part in Monterey where you would have something like this, but I haven't seen it. Monterey is a big part too. It's a very nice place to chill. Even if yesterday we were not able to like go here, it was a little bit cold. But now God answered my prayer, and I was able to, and the sun was shining so hard. I'm sure I'll get some sunburn. It's kind of like a little bit strong, but it's better. You know what? I'd rather have sunburn than have nothing and wasn't able really to the ocean. Husband said, you gotta move. Otherwise you will be, taken back by the water as it goes back to the shore. Oh God. Hindi mo dagan. Oh God. I mean, like, it's if you would really be like taken by the water back, it's not really a pleasant experience. It hurts. It's gonna hurt you really that bad. It's a really nice walk. It's like reflexology on your feet. But it's really very good. I miss doing like this. We always just take it for granted when we were in the Philippines, because we always see this and I grew up in the ocean. Headed back now. Okay. I am really going to miss this, but I'm so glad I was able to do this. Alright.